कैसी फीलिंग है ये आफ्टर द बिलबोर्ड्स इन न्यूयॉर्क एंड इन अमेरिका? दिस इज, आई मीन, दिस ब्लोन आवर माइंड्स. सबसे पहली बात ये अवार्ड्स के बारे में बताइए. इसमें कोई हिंदुस्तानी मुझे नहीं लगता है जीता है पहले. एंड oh my god, what happened? ये क्या हुआ है?
Honestly, actually काफी इंडियन आर्टिस्ट ने ये अवार्ड जीता है. इट्स फॉर द बेस्ट इंडिया एक्ट एट द यूरोपियन अवार्ड्स. लेकिन मतलब इतना पब्लिसाइज नहीं किया था इससे पहले. बट आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट फाइनली इंडियन आर्टिस्ट को एक ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म पे इतना रिकॉग्नाइज किया जा रहा है. एंड फॉर मी दिस ईयर इज मॉन्यूमेंटल, just in terms of everything. मैंने एक पूरी नई डायरेक्शन चेंज की है मेरी. I started singing English pop music and Control was my debut single. तो मतलब debut single में इतना love, इतना support, इतना प्यार मिलना is like unreal for me at this point. Be it the Spotify Billboard at Times Square, be it the Billboard Thriller charts. I mean, I think it's just been such an amazing year for me. MTV AMA का जो मुझे award मिला, that was like the icing on the cherry on the cake. So I feel like 2020, even though there's so much that's happened which is not good, there's so much that's happened that's good as well. So I'm so
no,
so
you'll
so
have to educate me, Arman. I'm so sorry, and this is purely to kind of commemorate our predecessors जिन्होंने actually जीता है. तो कौन है वो artist जिन्होंने पहले जीता है? आपको ज़्यादा जानकारी?
Have won this award. Predominantly hip hop artists जीते हैं. Honey Singh, I think बहुत साल पहले उन्होंने जीता था. फिर बीच में there was some other hip hop indie artists. Even with me, when I was nominated, we had artists like Divine, like Says on the Beat, Kam Bhari. Then there was even Prabdeep. So all these artists are mainly hip hop. Most of the hip hop artists have been nominated in the past and have won this thing. But this is the first time a pact has won something.
You are so you're more pop, R&B, you're more cooler in the way you do your stuff. आपको क्या बताया गया था कि क्यों आप जीते हो करके? Because there is a reason that you appeal to people, है ना?
See, for me, to be honest, I never expected anything. मैंने सोचा कि नई जर्नी है, जैसे बढ़ते जाएगा वैसे I will respond to it and kind of plan things accordingly. लेकिन मेरा first single Control dropped on 20th of March, and I think 24th pandemic का जो effect था, lockdown था पूरा जो हमारी country में, वो शुरू हो गया था. So I didn't get to really I wanted to do a very big launch event because it was a big song for me, big move for me. Despite all of that, इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला है इस गाने को. मेरे म्यूजिक को, मेरे आर्टिस्ट्री को एक ग्लोबल लेवल पे रिकॉग्नाइज किया जाना is such a very very big thing for me as an Indian artist. And मेरा always dream रहा है, whenever I've talked to you also before on radio, I've always said that I would love to take India global, and this is something that's happened.
I want you to try for one thing. मैंने recently Nick Jonas का video देखा, जो सारे Jonas brothers are performing at the president's gathering. ये मुझे लगता है अभी आपको आना चाहिए. वैसे ही प्रियंका चोपड़ा का कुछ तो हाथ है आपके साथ. बोल दो आप Jonas brothers को, वो तो अभी हमारे जीजा हुए हमारे देश के. You need to go and perform for Mr. Biden.
पार्टी मालिक brothers crash करेंगे.
But there, it was very interesting to see जब आप celebrate कर रहे थे ये moment, बहुत cute था, because obviously ऐसे award celebrate करना TV पे announce हो रहा है, और वो कहाँ था, इसलिए मैं आपसे पूछ रही थी आप कहाँ हो, because it looked like some presidential suite of sorts, but I was like, where is
it was कि मेरे manager ने और हम मेरे जो भी close friends हैं, we booked a hotel suite, and we were like कि अगर जीतूंगा तो हम लोग full on party करेंगे, नहीं भी जीतूंगा तो ओके, पार्टी तो करना ही है.
नॉमिनेट हुए भाई.
तो I think it was a big not a big celebration. हमारे मतलब सबसे closest जो भी friends थे, small tight group only, but I would have loved to do a big bash. इतने सारी चीजें हुई है मेरे साथ इस साल. I feel like
no, you have promised, Arman, you have promised party.
I'll have to do a big grand.
Yeah, we have to show the world कि MTV EMA अवार्ड्स का जो विनर है वो बहुत ग्रैंड तरीके से सेलिब्रेट भी करता है, so it has to go out as a message.
Now
Okay, so before
I'll tell Archana, you have to co-plan it with me.
I'll be happy. Yes, we have number 4s. We will do Dhamaka.
Yeah.
This has been an epic year for you. It's almost like ticking your life के goals. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि now you're going to be working spirally backwards क्योंकि it's like A to Z, Z पहुंच गए, अब बीच का करना है. What is Arman working towards? क्या हो रहा है अभी? और you know, I'm sure you're not the kinds to keep your boots and say relax करता हूँ. अभी भी बहुत काम चल रहा है.
मैं जिस तरीके का आर्टिस्ट हूँ, मैं कभी भी मतलब I've never liked to be still and I never like to be in one lane. But मुझे always I've wanted to do different things, different languages. अगर आप मेरा इस साल में जो भी track record देखोगे, it's not only in English or in Hindi. I've had a hit in Telugu as well called Butta Bomma, which became viral.
Everyone's talking about it even now.
Yeah, till now, I mean, it's trending, it's going viral. So for me, I've always never been in one lane कि मुझे Bollywood music ही, playback singing ही करना है. I've always wanted to do different things and music से related, लेकिन I want to present it in a new way every time. So a lot of people say कि इतना सब हो चुका है, अभी और क्या? मतलब what else can you dream of achieving? I said, you don't know my list. My list is never ending.
Super, all the best with that list, Arman. Please slow down भी कर लो कभी, और ये पार्टी के लिए मैं वेट कर रही हूँ. I know it's tough at your level to do that because आप पे बहुत responsibility है, बहुत लोग आप
No, I can't. Honestly, I would have loved to party, लेकिन मैं there are so many people looking at me, seeing what I'm doing. I cannot a wrong example for people because Corona गया नहीं है कहीं पे. It's still there. We're just we're just kind of living with it and trying to make life happen and work. So
you were watching the awards. My last question is, कोई आपका favorite artist था जो जीता वहाँ और आपको लगा कि बॉस अब मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं टक्कर के लोगों के साथ जीता हूँ. It's such a cool feeling, है ना?
There were so many artists. There was there's Justin Bieber, there's BTS, there's Lady Gaga, who were all nominated at the EMA. So to be among that company, I think it's a baat hai for an Indian artist, and to have won that award and that too with my first single. काफी लोग बहुत सारा म्यूजिक करते हैं, रिलीज करते हैं, उनके 10वें सिंगल या 11वें सिंगल पे ऐसा कुछ मिलता है.
How are you staying grounded? इतने रीजंस हैं कि आपको मार्स नहीं, क्लाउड नंबर 9 नहीं, पता नहीं कौन से ही प्लैनेट में होना चाहिए. How are you managing it? कैसे कर रहे हो?
I think big role is got to do with my parents. वो मेरे को always मतलब they always keep me grounded. They never let me feel I'm Arman Malik. they've always made me be sane. I think it's really important क्योंकि आज के time में to lose your head, even with a few followers, to be honest, achievements तो छोड़ो, थोड़े followers कमा के ही लोगों के दिमाग खराब हो जाते हैं. So I think it's very important.
You're so honest.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, that's how the world is today. You get views, you get followers, and you're like, wow, I'm killing it. That's not killing it. I don't myself feel that I'm still killing it. There's so much to do. So मेरा एक ही motto है. I've always followed that don't be complacent. किसी चीज के साथ इतना खुश मत रहो. Okay, good. I've achieved this. Now next plan, next project, next thing. I always move on very fast. So I think that's the reason.
आपकी to-do list. I started to ask you your to-do list, but I would love to. That's probably one thing I want to get a peek into your life. But until then,
there is definitely one thing which I have dreamt of for the longest time. जो मतलब fingers crossed हो जाए जल्दी. Now that I'm on this international journey, I want to perform at Madison Square Garden and sell that stadium out. So that is one of my biggest artists, and inshallah वो भी हो जाएगा पूरा. I think.
That's what बिल्कुल हो जाएगा.
If you dream, if you believe, it can happen. That's all.
Happy Diwali to you, Arman. और हम लोग एक ही चीज मैं आपसे बोलूंगी कि हम लोग रेडियो पे लैपटॉप्स दे रहे हैं to those kids who can't afford it, and it's a fabulous feeling because सब ऑनलाइन आ गया है अभी. इसको हम कह रहे हैं सिटी की टेक शाला.
हाय दोस्तों, मैं हूँ अरमान मलिक और अर्चना ने मुझे बहुत एक स्वीट सा information दिया है. So Radio City is doing something called City की टेक शाला. वो underprivileged kids को, those kids who can't afford to buy the good things in life, उनको वो एक laptop gift कर रहे हैं, which is such a beautiful thing, such a sweet thing, such a noble thing to do in these times. More power to Radio City. I'm so glad that हम मेरी इतनी अच्छी relationship रही है with Radio City over the years. I've been part of all their activities. We had even done this activity for the blind children in town, and I think it was such a beautiful initiative what Radio City keeps doing. So more power, more love. Thank you, Archana, for having me, and continue to keep doing such amazing work.
Love you, Arman. You are life goals. Bless you, and tell your entire khandan that we are super proud. Mwah. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Radio City.